So yun guys, mag-i-scout tayo dito ng kapehan, no? Kasi hindi kami makatulog, no? So ayan, tingin tayo ng masarap na kapehan dito. Let's go! At dito nga tayo napadpad sa may Java time, it's your time. Saan ba yung ganap? Dito? Hello my friend. Can I have that coffee latte? Medium coffee. Can I have one shot? Already one shot. Okay, that's okay. How much is it? Okay. Cash, okay? Okay, cash only. Cash basis tayo. Okay. So ayun mga kalakay, bale naka-order na tayo ng coffee latte natin, one shot. So nagkakahalaga siya ng 13 reals. Bale nakalimutan ko palang itanong mga kalakay kung ano yung pinakamura at masarap na kape nila. So kaya this time na lang siguro. Yung isang tropa natin nag-order naman. Ayan. Mukhang nagbibidding sila sa presyo eh. Brad, walang discount dito. Brad, ano in order mo?
Ginger milk.
Ginger milk? It's up to you, my friend. My friend, how are you? You good? Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Nepal.
From Nepal. Okay. Mabilisan lang kabayan ah.
Bagal nila eh. Nagkaka ako, natatumba ko.
Sir, mga ilang kayong Pilipino dito nagtrabaho?
Wala mo kita eh.
Ikaw lang?
Lahat yan, puro Nepal.
Oh.
Puro Nepal.
Sir, matagal na kayo dito, sir?
Galing ako sa ibang store. Galing bakasyon eh.
Okay.
So,
bago ka lang dito sa ano?
Dito sa store na to.
Okay.
Ano natin ha?
Sige, salamat, sir.
Salamat.
Pangalan niyo, sir?
Actually, sir. Ay, naka-video ako.
Ilag ka, sir. Ha? So, ayun na mga kalakay. Ito yung order natin. Coffee latte, medium size, worth 13 SR.
Sana all.
Not bad.
Bibili ako 5
So, yung mga tropa natin, guys. Hindi naman kami masyado mahilig magkape. Iba yung ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Sino yung pang-bogi nun na? Piolo Pascual, ikaw ba yan? Ano yung malunggay tea?
Ito po ay malunggay, fresh from Tamimi.
Kala ko fresh from farm.
Ano lang, ito lang kasi budget meal lang kasi yung tsaa natin kaya tamang chill lang tayo.
Brad, magkano yung presyo nila sa ganyan?
Itong cup na to is 9 real.
9 reals?
Pag tipid tips, ipa-refill mo ulit after ng first.
So pwede mag-refill?
Ng hot water.
Wow! Pero ano yung pangalan ng tea mo na yun, Brad?
Red tea.
Red tea.
With nana. Mint.
With mint.
Yun lang.
Ang laki nito ah.
3 days na experience namin.
Parang beer ah.
Pero umiinom kami ng honey.
Actually guys, dito mo matatagpuan yung beer house na walang beer. Yan, coffee dito. Oh, shot na! Sige! Alright. Brad, mukhang lasing ka na. At ayun na nga mga kalakay, pauwi na kami dahil madaling araw na rin. So, samahan niyo ko hanggang sa pag-uwi namin. Let's go! Brad, maganda rin yung place.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to